The total precipitation for the year now stands at 0.04 inches. There were 48 heating degree days today. The yearly total since July 1st is 4,859. There were no cooling degree days today. The yearly total since January 1st is 0. The normal high temperature for tomorrow is 24 degrees, and the normal low is 2. The record high for tomorrow is 52, which occurred in 1942, and the record low is -38, which occurred in 1950. Sunset tonight is at 5:36 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow is at 8:14 a.m. Now, some additional climate information for the region. Here are the high temperatures reported so far today. Bismarck had 21. The high at Williston was 29. Dickinson had 29. Jamestown reported 16. Minot had 22. The high Garrison was 23. In Hettinger, the high was 32. Here are the morning low temperature readings. Bismarck had 12. The low at Williston was 14. Dickinson had 16. Jamestown reported -3. Minot had 11. The low at Garrison was 7. In Hettinger, the low was 19. Here are some 24-hour precipitation reports across the region. Bismarck reported 0.01. Williston reported 0.01. Bismarck had 0.2 inches of snowfall. Wind advisory for the following counties in North Dakota: Grant, McLean, Mercer, Morton, Oliver, and Sioux. Wind advisory remains in effect from noon Central Standard Time, or 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Thursday to 4 a.m. Central Standard Time, or 3 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Friday. What? Northwest winds up to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 55 miles per hour expected. Where? Western North Dakota. When? From noon Central Standard Time, or 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Thursday to 4 a.m. Central Standard Time, or 3 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Friday. The following impacts are expected. Objects left unsecured outside will be blown around. Additional details: falling and blowing snow will reduce visibilities and could make travel hazardous. Use extra caution when driving, especially for high-profile vehicles. Wind advisory for the following counties in North Dakota: Burley, Emmons, Kidder, Sheridan, and Wells. Wind advisory remains in effect from 3 p.m. Thursday to 8 a.m. Central Standard Time Friday. What? Northwest winds up to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 55 miles per hour expected. Where? Central North Dakota. When? From 3 p.m. Thursday to 8 a.m. Central Standard Time Friday. The following impacts are expected. Objects left unsecured outside will be blown around. Additional details: falling and blowing snow will reduce visibilities and could make travel hazardous. Use extra caution when driving, especially for high-profile vehicles. The regional weather forecast from your National Weather Service office in Bismarck. Periods of light snow, with most places getting little more than a trace, will be found tonight. The exception to this will be parts of the Black Hills of South Dakota and on into Wyoming, where heavy snow, up to 14 inches, is forecast. Thursday through Thursday night, another Clipper system will bring an abrupt change with areas of rain and snow, along with very windy conditions and strong wind gusts as high as 55 miles per hour. This could lead to areas of blowing and drenching snow as well. Much colder air plunges in on Friday with areas of snow, but less wind. By the weekend, high temperatures will only be in the single digits below and above zero, with lows in the teens and 20s below, and dangerously cold wind chills. There is high confidence the cold spell could last through at least next week. Here is the forecast for the Bismarck Mend and listening area. Wind advisory in effect from 3 p.m. Thursday to 8 a.m. Central Standard Time Friday. Tonight, cloudy. A chance of snow in the evening. Lows 5 to 10 above. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of snow 30%. Thursday, mostly cloudy. Snow possibly mixed with rain in the afternoon. Snow accumulation around an inch. Highs in the mid-30s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour with gusts up to 20 miles per hour, increasing to 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour in the afternoon. Thursday night, mostly cloudy. Patchy blowing and drenching snow in the evening. A chance of rain and snow in the evening, then a slight chance of snow after midnight. Windy. New snow accumulation little or no. Lows 15 to 20. Northwest wind.